So different people at Saginaw Valley have been particularly impactful for me personally throughout my career. Dr. Crystal Lang literally was my ethics instructor in school, and at that time I didn't have context to be able to put her teaching and her wisdom into perspective. But now, over the course of my career, I've been able to think back about the things that she said and the professionalism that she demonstrated about nursing practice, and been able to utilize that along my path and journey. My experience at Saginaw Valley has prepared me in way of demonstrating many things that have been turned out to be examples of ways to be able to behave and act and demonstrate a commitment to the education that I formally acquired in the university. And what I mean by that is people don't just talk the talk at Saginaw Valley. They gave tangible, real experiences that would lend themselves to real life practice. I think that's what separates one university from another university, is the way that you can take what you're formally learning in a classroom and apply it in real life as you navigate the course of your career. It's a unique path for me to be in a leadership position. Again, if anybody would have asked me if that was something that I wanted to do, I probably would have suggested no. I was really interested in a clinical path, providing direct hands-on care to patients and families. But through the opportunity of a mentor, somebody who literally took a chance on me and said, you have some skills that I think really lend themselves to potential leadership opportunities. Once I understood that I could impact even more people by potentially working in the leadership position as opposed to directly laying hands on patients, there was a lot of power in that. And so I became extraordinarily enthusiastic about whatever opportunities came my way, and said I would do my level best at whatever it seemed to be the right intended purpose was for me at the time. And so mostly it's been about leading people and inspiring them and keeping them enthusiastic about the work that they do every single day, which is extraordinarily important work. Covenant itself services between probably 1 million to 2 million patient touches annually, and to be able to be a part of that and lead others to be able to be a part of that and contribute to that is an extraordinary opportunity. I'm so grateful. It's just, I'm really, really humbled and so very, very grateful for this opportunity. So thank you.